Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clean up Windows right-click context menu. Open any browser. Type CCleaner download in browser search bar. Click free download. Open downloaded file. Open CCleaner. Click Tools, click Startup. Click Context Menu. Select which entries to be disabled. Click Disable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.